All right, so today's warm-up problem, we're going to find the sum of the measure of the interior angles of the convex polygons. And if you remember from class, we do have an equation that we can use. So your total interior angle measure is equal to your number of sides minus 2, and that whole thing multiplied by 180. So hexagon, if you didn't know, you could look it up. It has 6 sides. So that's going to be our n value. So we have 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So 6 minus 2 is 4 times 180. 720 degrees will be the total inside angle measure. Number 2, 17 gone. 17 is how many sides you have. So again, using the equation, we have 17 minus 2, that whole thing multiplied by 180. So 17 minus 2 is 15 times 180 is 2,700 degrees, or 2,700 degrees. And then the last one, 24 gone. 24 is how many sides you have. So 24 minus 2, that whole thing multiplied by 180. So 24 minus 2 is 22 times 180 gives you 3,960 degrees. If you did not get these correct, what I want you to do is go back to your warm-up sheet, and I want you to fix them and then resubmit them into the in-class assignment. Also, if you have that handout I gave you last week with the quadrilateral chart, why don't you get that out, and you can add this equation to that so you have that with you. If you don't have it anymore, it's in Schoology. You can throw out Notability and you can use it and keep it for the duration of this chapter. So you have it with you. You can do that. So your total interior angle measure is n minus 2 times 180, and n is your number of sides.